In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a board in Monday.com. Duplicating a board is perfect when you want to reuse an existing workflow, build a template for recurring projects, or spin up a new space that keeps the same structure you already trust. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what you'll see, and share a few quick tips so you get a clean copy without surprises. Start by heading to your home area in Monday.com. Make sure you're logged in and viewing the workspace where your board lives. From home, locate the board you want to copy. You'll usually find it in your workspace list, your favorites, or your recent boards. If your account uses multiple workspaces, double-check you're in the right one so you don't duplicate the wrong board. Opening the list view is helpful because you can quickly spot the board name and access its actions without diving into individual items. Next, hover over the board name and look for the three-dot icon, often called the ellipsis or the More Actions menu. It typically appears to the right of the board name, either in the sidebar or in the board list. Hovering makes it visible if it's hidden by default. This menu is where Monday.com collects handy shortcuts, and it's the quickest way to manage the board without opening it first. Be careful not to click inside the board's items. You want the menu tied to the board itself. Now click Duplicate from that menu. When you choose Duplicate, Monday.com may show options like duplicating just the structure with items, or everything including updates and automations. These options help you control what carries over. If you're creating a template, structure only is usually best. If you're kicking off a similar project, bringing items along, while excluding past updates, keeps things tidy. After confirming, Monday.com creates the new board in the same workspace, typically with a name like Copy of Your Board. It may take a moment for larger boards. Once it appears, you'll see the same columns, views, and layout, and any copied items will be ready to adjust for your new use case. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see duplicate, you may need additional permissions, so check with your workspace admin. Also, be mindful of automations and integrations. Depending on your plan and settings, they may copy over or need a quick review. That's it. Home, three dots, duplicate. You've just saved yourself a ton of setup time.